Why should you back toward the driver's side? If stopped on a hill, how can you start moving without rolling back? When backing, why is it important to use a helper? Hi, this is Branton. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm producing a CDL video manual series for Section 2, Driving Safely. In fact, you're watching part of that now. In my last video, we covered questions and answers for Section 2.1, Vehicle Inspection. There's a link in the description to that video in case you missed it. In this video, we'll be covering the questions and answers for Section 2.2, Basic Control of Your Vehicle, and Section 2.3, Shifting Gears. This will comprise question group B for a total of 8 questions. Okay, with that being said, let's get started studying our material. Question Group B, 8 questions, covering Sections 2.2, Basic Control of Your Vehicle, and 2.3, Shifting Gears. Why should you back toward the driver's side? So you can see better. Backing toward the right side is very dangerous because you can't see as well. If stopped on a hill, how can you start moving without rolling back? For manual transmission, partly engage the clutch before you take your right foot off of the brake, or put the parking brake on whenever necessary to keep you from rolling back. On a tractor trailer equipped with a trailer handbrake valve, the hand valve can be applied to keep from rolling back. When backing, why is it important to use a helper? There are blind spots that you can't see. What's the most important hand signal that you and the helper should agree on? Stop. What are 2 special conditions where you should downshift? Before entering the curve, before starting down a hill. When should you downshift automatic transmissions? You can select a low range to get greater engine braking when going down downgrades. Also pay attention. Some vehicles have automatic transmissions. You can select a low range to get greater engine braking when going down grades. The lower range prevents the transmission from shifting up beyond the selected gear, unless the governor RPM is exceeded. It is very important to use this braking effect when going down grade. Retarders keep you from skidding when the road is slippery. True or false? False. Retarders help slow a vehicle, reducing the need for using your brakes. When you drive, wheels have poor traction. The retarders may cause them to skid. Therefore, you should turn the retarders off whenever the road is wet, icy, or snow-covered. What are 2 ways to know when to shift? Use engine speed. Watch your tachometer and shift up when the engine reaches the top of the range for your engine.